Silence please, understanding polite requests in English. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase used in English, silence please. Understanding this phrase will not only help you in your English language journey but also in comprehending the culture of politeness in English-speaking environments. Let's dive in. Silence please is a request often used in various settings to ask people around to stop talking or making noise. It is a polite way to seek quietness in a room or space. This phrase is commonly used in classrooms, libraries, conferences, or any situation where focus and quiet are needed. In English, adding please to a request is a key element of politeness. The word please softens the command, making it more respectful and less direct. This reflects the cultural importance of being polite and considerate in English-speaking societies. You can use silence please in formal or semi-formal situations. When saying it, your tone should be polite and calm, not harsh or demanding. It's important to maintain a respectful demeanor to ensure the request is received well. If you're looking for different ways to ask for quiet, here are some alternatives. Could we have quiet, please? I would appreciate some silence. Let's try to keep it quiet. These alternatives also maintain politeness and respect while conveying the same message. In different cultures, the approach to requesting silence may vary. In some cultures, being direct is acceptable, while in others, a more indirect approach is preferred. Understanding these nuances is crucial for effective communication in English. We hope this video helps you understand the phrase, silence please, and its usage in English. Remember, being polite is key in English communication, and using phrases like this correctly can help you navigate various social situations more effectively. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.